Hi all, in this video we will cover some general settings of your course that will help boost the value of your course further. Some tiny tweaks that will ensure that your course not only looks pretty on the front end to your students, but also engages them. Let's check these settings out. So we go inside a course by clicking on Edit and jump straight to the Settings tab. Here you'll find a couple of toggles and some settings. Anytime you wish to change the name of the course or its URL, you can do so from the title and URL fields. Then we have the layout drop-down menu, which gives you the option of keeping your course detail page, which is this, into centered or a sidebar format. For example, this is a centered format right now. So your course detail, the details of your course are coming in a center layout, right? And as you can see here, the pricing plan comes in the center. But if you change it to sidebar and click on save, and we refresh this page again, so this is just a basic, UI tweak that you can do. Next, we have these two toggles here that you need to pay heed to. Let me just change the layout once back again. Done. So, talking about these two toggles now. User reviews lets your customers or students post shining reviews for your course. It is by reading these reviews that prospective students who land on your course will be further prompted to purchase this course. Just like shopping on a website, when you read reviews by other customers on the same product, you're more likely to purchase that item. It kind of builds a sort of trust in you, right? It's the same logic that is applied here. So enable this toggle if you'd like students to post reviews under your course, or keep it off if you don't want them to write anything. Next, we have forced completion, which means that completing every lesson that a student takes up in this course will be mandatory to be marked as complete. Without clicking this button, this marked as complete button that is the result of this forced completion toggle, the student won't be able to progress to the next lesson. This is a tiny trick that is there to ensure that your students actually consume the information in every lesson instead of, just hurrying up through lessons, casually checking out every bit of it. Okay, so that takes care of our settings tab. Moving on to the next main tab here, which is actually a drop-down menu, More, and it comes with a handful of settings of its own. In this tutorial, we will cover images and SEO details. So let's check out images first. We are in the centered format of the layout, right? So notice this green default banner image here. Now this can be changed, okay? You can make it more in sync with your course, with the theme of your course, with the subject of your course, because this is a very generic image right now and it doesn't really go with what our course is on, right? I mean, this has nothing to do with guitar playing. So what if I told you that you could change that easily through the images tab? And all you have to do is to upload a cover image from here under More and Images. And similarly, you can upload a thumbnail image, which is the thumbnail image of your main course listing page on the front end. So right now, if you see that this course does not have a thumbnail image, it's empty. But if you want to add a very guitar relevant image or any image for this course, then you can do so from right here. So both these images can be uploaded from here. Okay, so let's try and upload one cover image here. We click on upload and select files to upload. Let's see. Okay, let's go with this one. We click on upload. Yep. Just like that, the image is uploaded. Similarly, we upload a thumbnail image as well. Upload again. And done. Now let's go back to our school and click on refresh. Ta-da! There's a brand new thumbnail image, and if you go inside this course, you will see that that green image has been replaced by a guitar image. How cool is that? Right now, this school looks more musical, so to speak, because our school is on music, right? So that is how you upload the images for your course. And lastly, we have the SEO details option here, which comes under the more drop down again. So we'll click on the SEO details. Now understand that this particular feature is not going to show anywhere on the front end of your course, but it actually shows up on search engines. A great way to optimize your course for search engines is to put in meta details about your course. Search engine optimization, right? This way, any student who searches for information under this niche that your course is in, sooner or later stumbles upon your course. So under meta title, you put in the title tag for your course. Then under meta keywords, you add all the high ranking keywords that your course's content is comprised of. Just make sure to separate each and every keyword with a comma. And lastly, we have the meta description, a 2 or 3 liner description of what your course is all about goes here. So that covers the SEO details of this course, and that overall is how you add more details to your course. These details that go just beyond the contents of your course, like the curriculum and the lessons under it. After all, your course on GradHut is a product, right? And it should have all the necessary details that are required to make a course sellable online, right? So that's all from my side in this video. Thank you for watching this one. Bye-bye.